here are the top 3 myths about the health and wellness coaching industry. Number 1, people think there's an assumption or misconception that anybody can call themselves a health and wellness coach. The fact of the matter is, just like any other profession where there's skilling and education, training and certification that's required, so is it for the health and wellness coaching industry as well. If somebody wants to call themselves a health and wellness coach, they must get a prior certification that equips them with knowledge around behavioral science, neuroscience, coaching psychology, integrative health principles, holistic approaches, and also lifestyle management for lifestyle diseases such as obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and also some of the other habits such as smoking, alcohol, and sleep. Now, the second myth in the industry is that one must be from a science background to be a health and wellness coach. And the truth is far from this. Whether we look at the global standards or whether we look at national standards that we're developing here in India, the mandate says that it is not necessary for somebody to come from a science background. It's what's necessary is that you must have a passion, that you want to help and transform people's life. You must demonstrate the intent to want to learn and grow in this space. A graduate in any discipline is probably one of the minimum criteria requirement, eligibility requirement for becoming a health and wellness coach. So don't be afraid that if you have a passion for health and wellness, fitness and nutrition, don't be afraid that, hey, listen, I need to be from a science background to pursue this profession. A lot of people, even like myself, ventured into this profession in our late 30s. A lot of times we figure out our life purpose or life vision or the profession of our choice and much later in life. And we see a lot of students in our institute transitioning from other professions. They are teachers, they are mothers, they are accountants, they are coming from software development, they are lawyers, they are HR professionals. So variety of professional backgrounds can pursue health and wellness coaching if they see an active interest in this space, they see a passion in this space, and they want to create a career in this space. The last one that I'm going to talk about today specifically is a lot of people think that, hey, listen, the market is saturated. There isn't enough work out there. And this again is far from the reality. Coaching has blossomed universally, globally a lot, and there are a lot more coaches in the West. But in India, few years prior to just COVID, we were still talking about health and wellness coaching as a nascent industry. And it is only now, after we've been spending a lot of time in advocating this space, that people are talking about behavior change as a buzzword, lifestyle change as a buzzword, sustainable habits as a buzzword. And we've really come into mainstream now. And that means a lot of companies are recognizing an opportunity in this space, and a lot of companies are looking and eager to hire health and wellness coaches. Whether that is the health tech companies, and each of these health tech companies are looking after a specific health concern. Some of them are on mental health, some of them are on women's health, some of them are on weight loss. So all of these health tech companies, technology without the human intelligence that is brought through health coaching is incomplete. So health tech companies are looking at deploying health coaches, hospitals are looking at deploying health coaches, insurance companies are looking at deploying health coaches, and a lot of corporates are looking at deploying health coaches, and a lot of individuals, and after COVID and this deep awakening that we've gone through, are looking at working with health coaches so that they can take accountability for their lives and improve their entire quality of life and their entire health outcomes. So all of these are big myths, and if you have any further questions, you can definitely type into the comment box and shoot away all your questions, and I'm sure in the coming videos I will spend some time in answering your queries. Okay, so see you around next time right here. Bye for now.